Guys, today we're going to unboxing a frying pan. This is a nice frying pan from Tefal, and the brand ambassador is something like Jamie Oliver, and this is stainless steel. I'm buying the 24 centimeter. So if the 24 centimeter is the open, and if you the upside, and the bottom is about 18 centimeter. Okay, this is what you get, and you can open this one. Okay, this is the something, nothing to read. This is something about currency, you can read it. Okay, so this is the guy, and you get 24 in the upside, and in the bottom you will get 18. And induction, it is can be used in induction, and also regular stove. I think will be okay. And yeah, this is the handle, jointing with fixed joiner or fixed bolt. Yeah, and this is the handle. I mean, guarantee not to be hot when you use it. Okay, next we will try to use it to fry something. Okay, this is good. Nice color. I think this is enough for me. I will use other things to pour up. I put a snack without additional butter, just a snack. Sometimes it will give you a black marking on the frying pan, but yeah, we will check it. Normally I use air fryer to in this case, but I just want to check this one. And as you can see, I still use the hot temperature, and this should be okay, I think. And even there is some black, I think it will be easy for us to clean up, because this is stainless steel. Oh, this will be very good. Okay, you turn off. For this, after this we will check the upside. Okay, this is okay. There is no black marking indication, and you can see, take a look also in the bottom, there's everything very good, just very good. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and no worries, you can buy this, and this is very good, very okay. And good snack. Thanks for watching, see you again.